Hi everyone. So today I'm going to share with you 8 exercises for belly fat. Let's try it out. The first one, keep hands by the side and lift both the legs together and exhale as you lift the leg. So here we go. Do it for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The second one is the reverse crunch. So keep hands by the side and reverse crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Take a 15 seconds break and then we'll go with the third one. The third one, you have to sit on the ground like this. Keep hand in front. Inhale and then twist and exhale. 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Do it for 10 times. You can repeat this set 2 times for each of the exercise. So this is the third one. The fourth one, you have to get into a abdominal crunch position. Keep hands like this and then crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The one that you can repeat, so you can also do it with a towel. So the way it goes is that get in an abdominal crunch position. Okay, let's start. Keep hands like this. Maybe you can hold a towel, stretch and then get up, twist, come back to the original position, get up, twist, come back to the original position. Okay, so this is the fourth one. The fifth one that you can do is again very simple. So what we have to do, we have to get in the crunch position and we have to move the upper body side by side. So this will help you in exercising the muscles on the side of your stomach. So the way it goes, you keep your hands like this and then 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, and you can repeat 2 sets for this exercise as well. The next one is alternate hands and leg. You have to combine. So the way it goes, you have to lay straight and then lift the left leg and lift the right arm. Okay, the way it goes is this. It's 1. If you cannot touch, it's okay. Come back. 2. Come back. 3. Come back. 4. Come back. 5. Come back. 6. Come back. 7. Come back. 8. Come back. 9. Come back. 10. Come back. Okay. The next one is a simple plank. So you can hold the plank for 60 seconds. Minimum 30 seconds is good. So let's take a simple plank position and we try to hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. Ensure the hand is properly placed and then plank. Do not get the hip too low or too high. Just keep it flat to the ground and let's plank. So this was the 7th one. The last one is quite interesting. It's called WXW. So you have to draw a virtual W with the help of your leg. So the way you do is, I'll show in this mode here. So you lay down the ground and then draw a virtual W. So first one stroke would be bigger one, then a smaller one, followed by a smaller one, then a bigger one, and then you trace it back. Okay, so the way it goes is this. Keep both the legs together, hands by the side. So it start from here, longer one, smaller one, smaller one, longer one. So you're twisting as you're doing it. Longer one, smaller one, smaller one, longer one. Okay, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So these were the eight exercises that you can do, and you can do 2 sets of 10 repetitions each, and it will take about 15 to 20 minutes. And if you do it every day, it will really help you in burning the fat around the stomach. Okay, so all the best.